guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, hey y'all, thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me keep my hand down and I see the popo. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so as you guys have seen the title, today's video is going to be watch me get my hair done, and today I'm supposed to be getting butterfly locks. I'm nervous. I never got locks. I always get braids or twists, so this is literally different. I'm stepping out my comfort zone, and then V's doing them, so I already know like V's gonna slay the shits, and I don't know, I'm just a little low-key nervous about it. I don't know why. I'm adding a few like blonde streaks in it as well. So, girl, I'm gonna be a real cute girl, and I know I look bummy right now. I put on a hair scarf and a hat, so y'all already know the vibes. So I'm about to go get my hair done. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to check in real quick, tell y'all what the fuck going on, and then I'm heading there now. It's 10:08. No, I'm actually going to the bank now. I'm going to the bank now, and then I'm gonna head over there, and then y'all going to see the whole process. So once I get there, I'll log back on, so see y'all in a few. I think I pressed it. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Did you press it? Did I? Oh yeah. So today, sorry, let me stop. No, for real. It's your girl at Lenny Love, Lanny Love, Love. Follow me. Follow my hair page at Bombshell Braids. Bombshell Braids with 3 S's. Yes, Jordan is getting butterfly locks today, guys. This is my first time doing this. I'm so excited, but I'm so nervous and I'm scared. Although her and Yasmin tell me that I can do anything I put my mind to, which I can. But yeah, Jordan went to the car. I'm just talking. I hope she don't put this in the video. I'm like, why is this not opening? Tommy, what's up, dog? Get down. I'm at V house now. She's about to do my hair. Y'all, I'm so excited. I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey. It's lit. I'm happy. This is the beginning. Where the bag at? Where the bag at? Hey, where the bag at? Hey, where the bag at? Alright, V just blew me out, so now we're about to start on Amazon. Butterfly locks. Y'all, look at my hair like a little boy, a little bow wow. You just don't know the way you move so fast across the floor. Okay, so we're about to go. We're about to move destinations. We'll be back at a whole new location. See ya. And we're back.
That's the chord when people gather.
And I have my fruit with me.
Life into a chord.
Daddy. Yum yum. V gave me this. And she made me try blueberry, y'all.
Grief or despair into our midst.
Now, Chick-fil-A was pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and start back doing my hair. Right now we're watching Greenleaf, man.
The first friends of Jesus used to be.
Know what the fuck going on?
Days after.
You feeling her? Oh, yeah, I'm very. Oh, bitch. Who on me? Your daddy. Put your hair bangs down. Y'all, my battery is literally about to die, so I don't know when it's about to cut off, but it's beeping red.
You need to take a ride now.
Don't hurt me. It's self-defense.
Boom.
Period.
Period, y'all.
I caught up
My forehead on full of fat, bitch. This is how my butterfly locks look, y'all. They cute, right? But this is the end of the video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Who this? Who is this? Who am I? Who am I? Bow. Cause I'm loose. Cause I'm about to go. I'm about to go. Cause I gotta come back over here. But I'm gonna have on new do. I'm gonna have on my face and a whole new outfit on. Alright, bye y'all.